What's up, child? Welcome to the Big FX channel. It's a Tuesday, right? And yes, the market is still, kind of giving that down movement it has been giving, since yesterday. We still left with some more days to go, right? So we can't just conclude right on the market, right? It's been moving kind of like slippery, no kind of like no setups yet, right? At this point, if you're not patient, you just start, jumping in on setup that's gonna like make you just lose. And have this quote in mind: you can chase what 1,000 trades and what and lose. Like each of them, or be patient and catch that one trade that's gonna change everything for you. So which is it gonna be? Are you gonna change 1,000 trades and lose everything, or be patient and get that one setup that is gonna change everything for you? Right. So yes, guys, we're not chasing. We're just kind of like patient, looking at the market, waiting for it to give us what we call a good, solid in setup, for us to get in. Right. So I'll be sharing my screen with you guys, so you guys see, what I'm talking about, how the market has moved and everything. And yes, before I forget, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button. So we are currently sitting at 18 subscribers, guys. Let's help grow this channel. Right? Let's get into the charts. Alright guys, this is my screen. This is my GBP JPY screen. You guys can see. You can see the market has been moving in an uptrend. Right. So what I'm anticipating, if you can see the Fibonacci 2, right? We had what? You know, a higher low, a higher high, and we had a chain of character here, and we got price to break it, back, right? So we got to a chain of character, at this point, price breaking this previous lower high. So we have, a change of character here. So currently we have our higher high, and I'm anticipating for price to drop back to this area of interest, this 61.8 feed level, as well as our cycle level trend line touch, so I'll be able to get a buy to the upside, right? Sorry guys, sorry. Get a buy to the upside, right? Hopefully if you get a touch, right? If you don't get it, you're not rushing, you're not desperate, right? We are patient, we trade what the market gives us. We don't trade what we want the market to do, right? Because you don't own the market. It's not because of your desperateness you're gonna jump into a trade that's gonna make you lose everything. You have to be patient, right? And make the market do its thing. Let the market play out, right? So yes, USD JPY, you guys can see with UJ, right? The same thing. Sorry, price broke out of this area of interest, right? And yeah, price was heading up. You can see at this point price was heading up, but reversed, inside this rising pennant, right? So yeah, we are looking at what price is going to do, hopefully at this area of interest. If it's going to break, and give us a retest, hopefully we can enter to the downside. If it doesn't, and breaks this trend line and touches this area of interest, you can take price to the upside, right? Hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. This is what I'm trying to say. I don't want to confuse you guys, right? There's two scenarios, right? So first, a break to this area of interest, right? And then buy to the upside, to continue, doing its thing. Or right, the other scenario, which is a break of this area of interest, which is a break of this higher low, to give us a change of character, and a retest to this area of interest, and the sell to the downside, right? So we're just patient, looking at what the markets, in no haste, no hurry, right? Yeah, and to the last big boy, which is gold, right? You can see gold has kind of changed direction. Gold was moving in a downtrend, right? Giving us this, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? And here you can see that, oh, gold is reversing, moving to the upside, right? So yeah, hopefully, a retest to this area of interest, right, will be back to the upside. And the reason why I'm targeting this area of interest, because it's what a 61.8 Fibonacci level. You can see I have my alert, just right here, right? So yes, hopefully if markets doesn't go any further and just retest back to the area of interest, right, which is this zone, will be buying to the upside, right? So yes, let's see how it plays out. I'm not expecting too much. I'm not desperate. If the market gives out, we're gonna follow that information. You guys saw what anticipating, what I'm anticipating with the markets, uh, how the pairs have been moving slowly. The very like slippery. If you kind of like joke a little bit, you're gonna lose like unnecessarily, right? So it would rather you rather be patient and wait for the market to come and sit at your precise zones, your anticipated zones, so that you'll be able to take the trade. And I go by the name Big FX. If you enjoyed this content, please hit the thumbs up button so this video can recommend it to other people so they can also watch and learn something from this video. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button so you can help the channel grow, right? And if you have anything you want to share, anything you want to say, the comment section is all yours. Put your comments in the comment section. Let me see what you guys think, right? I really appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button. Let's help this channel grow, right? I really appreciate your support, your time, your efforts, right? It's been love since day one. I really appreciate it. Peace out.